When NASA employees placed a cat in weightlessness, its brain became completely overloaded. As for dogs, when they were sent into weightlessness, it turned out that they were not affected by gravity at all. Look how much fun they have moving around. But in the case of the frog, as soon as he went into zero gravity, his world was turned upside down, and the poor thing got so nervous, it started spiraling. Finally, the mice. They completely ignored the weightlessness. Looks like they've decided to create their own gravity. If you want to be weightless too, give it a like and subscribe.